Holiday, for Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You like mushroom? I like mushroom. Yeah, but I like seafood or meat so much, then I put more meat. So every mom have their own recipe. For the beginning, it's so full. For this, only can eat one time per year, you know. For one time per year. Chicken also. With a bigger pan, not this one. Not be just rice flour. Otherwise, it's not good. But right now have so many can pre-mix. Like cake.
Turnip cake.
Apa yang kau beli Kak? Tepung beras.
Sama apa gitu loh Kak?
Kalau ini memang mixnya itu loh. Ya ini tepung kayak beras di di Cina itu banyak macam berasnya.
Tepung beras toyo enak kok. Aku gak lihat tepung beras. See, not the cornstarch and you say
Rice
starch.
flour.
You know the not see my
Mushroom water.
and then the dry shrimp water. Yes. So for the end, flour and 700 So because for the gray dish have some water come out, I just put 600 first.
Okay.
Water also okay.
If we put the chicken stock, it means that the water will
It's
not.
salty, right?
I mean the water, the clear water. If we put less.
Yeah. Of course. The ratio cannot change. Otherwise, it cannot be like a form shape. Okay. For the balance. Okay.
Parang madami, hindi na makasya. Sugar. Cook like 8 to 10 minutes.
Not too soft, right? This.
Like this.
Udah mulai keluar air Kak? Udah. Soya. This is not too much.
Two ladies cooking.
I will keep some for the topping. Okay.
上次好像放在这边，我没有。
Guys,
Only white pepper. Just make it blue. Yes. So you see, don't put any extra oil lah. It's so fat from the top.
Kulang siguro sa pagpasik kaya bigla yung
You just maybe can give it to another place or you can
sige na mas may magagpan mo. Wawa. 3, 2, 1.
Thanks. Pa.
steam 1 hour, huh?
Steam 1 hour.
steam 1 hour. Oh, looks yummy.
Steam 1 hour.
Yes, I think so.
Nakita ko pa siya bago mamatay.
Toppings?
Sobrang dami.
On top, when it's almost done, we will put some spring onion. Okay? Oh, it's really like Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
We like Chinese New Year for me. There's
Ayun naman.
Looks yummy.
it can. I think have to be changed another place.
Okay.
Do you think that?
Yes, can. Ay, hindi. No, cannot. ABC can batch? Help, 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 help. For soup.
Yes. So you know this one? What's that?
No.
Huh? The coach, the shell.
The shell.
It's good for women. Have to wash this, but have to put together, right? There, oh.
Tanggal siya ng...
Have you tried this before?
No. My first time.
Me too. Pang soup yan.
Chicken first.
Oh, tama ako. Kabibi. Oh.
Oh,
Kabibi. Yes, mami. Yan yung
preserved skin.
Yan. Lemon. Dates.
And then the yuzu.
yan.
Yes.
Yuko.
Nilalagyan talaga nila yun.
Yes.
For the last half hour, put this.
Oh, yummy.
Last half hour.
Very expensive.
Oh, yummy.
Baru pertama yang dikasih PT ini.
And then actually have to put pork. Don't put pork. Okay?
Okay.
Put yellow.
Belum pernah.
One water.
And I have
Blanch, no?
Chicken.
Oh,
The very...
wolfberries. This is my beautiful. Yes. Alam, hindi ko nakita to.
Right here.
Masarap yan.
You like hair?
Yeah, I like.
Right here.
Masarap yan. It's yummy.
They were telling it's like here.
15 minutes.
Cook the water for 15 minutes. Halo-halo na. Isang video yan lahat.
Oyster. And then you
Oil.
Hindi ba yan? Oyster yan. Oyster also. This one all gone. All they sold out.
Oyster.
Yeah. Oyster. And then the most the good quality one is from Japan.
Oh.
Right now is from Korea.
Oh. This one expensive, Miss Jenny.
Yes.
Yes.
Add some oil for the bok choy.
Bok choy.
Bok choy.
叫什么菜啊？
Bok choy.
Bok choy.
Pero bak yan.
Bok choy.
And this is the mushroom water. Later we will cook together. Okay.
Hi. Ang ganabisit kayo dyan ah. Uy.
soup masarap namin.
花椒。
在汤的嘛。我说
这个
萝卜糕
This one, you know how to be softened? When you buy the dry one, you know the
Yeah, I know. Boil water and then just leave it a long time.
Yeah, but depends if the
Wash first with the cold water and then boil water and then just pour it out. Yeah.
And if the small one, just put it steam for 5 minutes.
Oh.
And then soak it in the cold water for overnight.
Mm.
Steam, when you steam, put some ginger and spring onion.
That is the fastest way. Very nice.
Sugar.
Baka nagkahalo-halo na yan dyan asin at sugar ha.
Apat.
Apat na.
Pangapat na yan. 1, 2, 3. Apat. Yan yung nasa front.
Oh, yun.
Set. Oh, yes.
My son can speak so well
Abangan natin basket.
Philippines.
Really?
Wow.
Can understand us.
when you see more bigger, when you go to Philippines, you don't
Ini apa bikin apa?
Yeah.
Kung ako kayo kukunin. You are too welcome.
Like to
And water.
talk Philippine.